Hello everybody. For today's craft, you're going to need a can of soup. A 13-ounce can worked really good for me. A can of soup or a can of vegetables. And you're going to need a block of floral foam. We grabbed this at the Dollar General and it came in a package of 2. You want to take your can, tip it upside down and press it into the block so it forms a perfect fit for the inside of your can. You want to make sure the outside of your can is clean. We had grabbed some wrapping paper from Hobby Lobby that we got at 50% off, and we were using this as our covering for our can. You have 2 options. You can either decoupage with YSL varnish, or you can actually adhere it with a glue gun, and we did both. You want to take a foam brush if you're going to use the decoupage and cover the can and then apply the wrapping paper. Many times what I use is a clear Ziploc baggie that I can put my hand in to rub any wrinkles or any bubbles out, as it gives a very smooth finish and you don't have to worry about your fingers ripping the paper. This will probably take overnight to dry. The next thing that we grabbed from the dollar store was this little tree. Once you get it out of the bag and fluff it up, and make sure that everything kind of looks the way that you would want it, we then took a can of spray paint from Rust-Oleum called Chalked. The color we chose was linen white, and this is a very great craft spray paint for any of your crafts. Because I'm in my kitchen, I decided to step outside to spray my tree, and it just gave it a snow-fallen look. Very easy. Thank you, Jamie. Then we took our tree and we took a little Spanish moss and put it at the top of the can to give it a better look, as when you looked inside, it wasn't very attractive looking at the foam. And then we stuck our tree inside. Now you have a small, cute tree that you can decorate as you want. We also showed the option of taking the wrapping paper and gluing it with a glue gun, which was very easy to do, especially with no drying time. We're very happy with our inexpensive little tree that you can display. And you can also use your gingham transfers for those of you that have purchased them.